One of the most common questions that I get these days is how in the world to style chunky soled boots or shoes. So today I want to do a video that's going to be all about ankle boots and knee-high boots that are chunky, and I want to talk about your common style mistakes that you make with these and show you how to fix them. There's going to be a lot of information in this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you're new around here, my name is Jamie and welcome to my channel. I would love for you guys to hit that thumbs up if you love this video, and also hit the subscribe and the little bell to get notifications so you don't miss any of my content that is coming. And I do have another video coming on knee-high boots and how to style them. It's coming on Saturday, so definitely hit that little bell if you want a notification when that video goes up. There are 3 basic style tips that I want you to think about when you're putting your outfits together, and these are outfits with lug sole shoes, and most lug sole shoes are very casual. So stick with casual outfits. Don't try to dress them up. Number 2, create balance in your outfit. So a lot of these lug sole shoes make our feet look bigger, and there is a way that you can put your clothing together that helps bring balance to that and makes them look less chunky, and you will see some of those examples in this video. So tip number 3, there are a couple of ways that you can execute your outfits. The first one is what a lot of people call sandwich dressing. So you are wearing the same color top and shoes, and you have a different color in the middle with your bottoms. You could also execute it where you have a dark pair of jeans on and then a dark pair of shoes, or black jeans on and black shoes. That creates a more streamlined effect. You don't get a cutoff point, so it can actually help minimize the chunkiness of the shoe, and it can also give the illusion that you look a little bit taller. A very common style mistake I think that people make with lug sole boots is how they wear skinny jeans with them. So I'm going to show you some examples here, and the first one is just a black turtleneck with these black Chelsea boots. This Chelsea boot is a little bit slimmer through the shaft, and the ankle or the hem of the jean actually went over the shaft of the boot, and I didn't love that look, so I wanted to show you that this is not my favorite look. And the turtleneck is a little bit fitted, maybe semi-relaxed, and I just thought I needed to balance this a little bit better. So what I did is I added a knit blazer that is very casual, and I really loved just adding that blazer. It's still a casual outfit and it helps balance. And then I also turned up the hem, so I cuffed it once, and that actually wasn't my favorite way to do this. So my next favorite way to do this was to double roll it, because when you're rolling your jeans, you want to make sure that they land just above the shaft of that boot. And then to make this outfit the best that it can be, I added the tall knee-high chunky boot, and I absolutely loved this. I don't have to worry about where the hem is landing with that boot, and this was just perfect in my mind. So ultimately you could do either one of these, but I would choose the tall boot over the low boot, although both of these are really good options. So if you don't have a chunky knee-high boot and you really don't love your Chelsea boots with your skinny jeans, then swap out the skinny jeans for a straight leg jean. The straight leg jeans are a little bit looser in the leg. They should come maybe an inch above your ankle, so they're going to land perfectly over that shaft and still give you a casual look. So the first outfit I'm showing you is with the turtleneck, and since the jeans are a little bit looser, I feel like there's more balance here. And then I did add the blazer, and I still thought that that was perfect. I actually love this version a lot better. I think it has even more balance, and it just creates a better outfit in my mind. So I do have a fun little hack that I want to share with you. If you want to wear your Chelsea boots with your skinny jeans and haven't loved the options I've shown you, a fun option that I love, and I also wear this with my leggings. And so what I do is I put a pair of boot socks on and I scrunch them down. So I tuck the skinny jean in the boot sock, I scrunch it down, and I think this makes a really fun casual look that also helps balance that, and then you don't have to worry about the hem of the jean and where it is or what it's doing. It's just tucked in the sock, and it makes it so easy, and it will also keep you very warm this winter. Another common style mistake I think people make with lug sole shoes is not creating a cohesive look with a lighter pair of lug sole shoes. So the next look is with the skinny jeans like I did in the first versions with the darker boots. And I wanted to show you that this is actually a really good look. This works really well because the jeans are a little bit loose over that shaft. They're a little bit longer. And so I don't look cut off anywhere. And then I did just cuff them up one time just to see what it looked like. And I actually loved this even better. I think it made it a little bit more casual and it did not distract from the cohesiveness of the outfit and it didn't make me look any shorter. But to execute this in a different way, you could put on a lighter pair of jeans and they would look really good and you would have less of that contrast. The next common style mistake that I think people make is wearing wide leg trousers, which are flowy wide leg pants with a chunky sole shoe or boot. And as you can see, the pant leg comes down, it drapes over the shoe, and it just looks really heavy on the bottom. And the reason why this is hard to execute is because you can't really create any more heaviness on the top without making your entire outfit all kind of one note and it makes you look bigger from head to toe. What you want to do to balance a wide leg is to wear something less oversized on top to create a better look. And so how you can fix this is just to put on a pointed toe heeled boot or shoe, and you can see how the drape of the pant just looks so much better and the proportions are fixed to where you don't look super heavy on the bottom compared to the top. And so the best fix for this is just not to wear your wide leg trouser pants with your chunkier shoes. But I do want to show you that if you have a pair of wide leg jeans that are much more casual, that I think they can work with a Chelsea boot. So I'm going to show you the same top and the lighter Chelsea boots with these lighter wash jeans so you can kind of see how the lighter jeans work and then the wide legs here. So this to me is a much better look than the trousers. So if you love wide leg jeans, you can totally execute this. At the beginning of the video, one of my basic tips was to keep your outfits casual. And so that might have you thinking, can I wear skirts and dresses with these? So I really think you can, but I think you need to keep in mind that you need to try to keep them casual. And the first outfit that I put together with this is a dressier outfit, and I used my knee-high chunky boot for this one. And it's just an accordion pleated skirt with a belt and a floral blouse. And to me, this could be pretty dressy. And I just did not love this. I thought it looked pretty terrible. And so I was trying to think, how in the world can I make this look good? And so what I did is take the striped t-shirt that I have on right now, kept on the belt, the same boot, same skirt, and then added my leather bomber jacket over it. So this created somewhat of an edgy look, but I still absolutely love this. I think this is my favorite outfit of the entire video. And put on a pair of tights with this as well underneath to keep you warm, but I thought this was perfect, and it's a great example of how you can wear skirts with chunkier boots. And this is an A-line skirt, so keep that in mind. And I think if you're pear-shaped or rectangle shaped, that this is an awesome outfit idea for you, and it would be really comfortable and just a really fun look with a chunky boot. So I do want to talk about common style mistakes with leggings and chunky shoes really quickly. And I think the common style mistake is that people pair the wrong top with them. So I'm going to show you two examples, and the first one is with a cropped sweatshirt. And even though the sweatshirt is looser and it helps balance the chunkier boot, which I have the knee-high boots on, I really think it's too short. It makes me look off proportion, and I just don't love this. But the best example is a little bit oversized longer sweatshirt. Even though it is longer and you have the knee-high boot on, this is such an awesome look, and everything looks in proportion. My bum's not hanging out, and it just makes sense. Now, if you wanted to do the shorter Chelsea boot with your leggings, I love the option with the boot socks. This has been my favorite way, and it actually helps balance it and just makes it look really good. So if you want more examples of how to style knee-high boots, I will have the chunky knee-high boot and two others, another black one, and then a tan boot that I'm going to style in my video coming out on Saturday. So if you want outfit ideas of all kinds with your knee-high boots, then check that video out as it comes on Saturday. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please leave me a comment of what you thought about some of these, and if you've found a way that really works for you, let me know in the comments below as well. Thank you for watching, and just remember to love your neighbor and be kind.